Number 1. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is necessary to stay fit and healthy. Many of us do not get enough. Lack of sleep affects our physical and mental health tremendously. It also affects metabolism, mood, concentration, memory, motor skills, stress hormones, and even the immune system and cardiovascular health. Sleep allows the body to heal, repair, and rejuvenate. People often cut back on their sleep for work, for family demands, or even to watch a good show on television. But if not getting enough sleep is a regular part of your routine, you may be at an increased risk for obesity, type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease and stroke, poor mental health, and even early death. Even one night of short sleep can affect you the next day. Not only are you more likely to feel sleepy, but you're also more likely to be in a bad mood, be less productive at work, and be involved in a motor vehicle crash. Number 2. Drinking water. It varies from person to person or conditions, but approximately you should drink a gallon of water every day. Maximum activities of human body are dependent on water for their proper functions. There is no one right answer to how much water you need, as it depends on each person and their lifestyle. You may need to modify your fluid intake depending on how active you are, where you live, your health, and if you are pregnant and/or breastfeeding. Number 3. Proper exercises. For a hygienic body, daily or interval-based exercises are necessary which keep body fit. In exercise, walking is the best exercise for heart fitness, overweight, proper digestion, refreshment of mind, and proper functions of internal organs. Exercise boosts your metabolism, burns more fat, and takes less time to complete. Exercises depend on situations of person, but generally it is recommended to walk 2 miles daily or as much as possible for an individual. Other exercises like weightlifting, jumping and swimming, etc. make the body function work properly. Number 4. Taking rest. All human body organs needed rest for their normal functions. Human body is like a machine, and if this machine is overworked, it may lose its balance. Overwork, both physical and mental, may cause loss of health and much disorder. Continuous work and absence of rest is bad for a healthy body. There is no specific time for taking rest, but as much rest as your body feels fresh and comfortable is recommended. It is also recommended for ladies, and especially for pregnant ladies, to take as much rest as possible because they needed it more than a normal person. Number 5. Eat healthy food. Eat lots of fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to stay healthy and fit. Also include lean sources of protein such as poultry, fish, tofu, and beans into your diet. One should eat a balanced meal and not overeat. Junk foods like burgers, pizza, and those that are highly processed and contain artificial sweeteners should be strictly avoided. Energy you need to keep active throughout the day. Nutrients you need for growth and repair, helping you to stay strong and healthy and help to prevent diet-related illness, such as some cancers. Keeping active and eating a healthy, balanced diet can also help you to maintain a healthy weight. Number 6. Exercise controls weight. Exercise can help prevent excess weight gain or help maintain weight loss. When you engage in physical activity, you burn calories. The more intense the activity, the more calories you burn. Regular trips to the gym are great, but don't worry if you can't find a large chunk of time to exercise every day. Any amount of activity is better than none at all. To reap the benefits of exercise, just get more active throughout your day. Take the stairs instead of the elevator or rev up your household chores. Consistency is key.